Dapat ba natin paniwalaan na lang basta yung mga sinasabi ni Ramon ang a man who has control on almost everything we use? Road tolls, airport, food, beverages, energy.
Mas malaki ang kita sa Malaysia. Alam mo bakit? Kasi ang Malaysia, guarantee profit. Ang other countries, binibigyan yung oil companies ng guarantee profit. Pilipinas lang ang wala kasi deregulated tayo. Market force.
Is it though? Not all the time, mas malaki yung kita ng mga oil companies sa Malaysia and other countries since regulated ang system nila. Ang profit hindi fixed, kundi adjustable. Kapag mataas ang presyo, pwedeng i-compress ang margins. So by design, hindi pwedeng consistently mas mataas ang kita.
Which our neighboring countries will copy soon. I-deregulate na rin nila yung oil industry nila. Dahil ngayon po, ang subsidy ng Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, mga 20, 30, 40 billion dollars a year, especially in a crisis like this. Which country can afford that continuously? I think mahirap, ano?
Mahirap nga ba? This is what people are not realizing. Dumaan na yung sistema nila sa iba't ibang oil crisis. 2008 global oil spike, 2014 oil volatility, COVID supply shocks. At hindi nila naisip na kopyahin yung Pilipinas since back then. And do you think it's logical to do it now? Isipin nyo may control yung government nila ngayon sa fuel price and political pressure. Bakit nila ile-let go yung control na yun gaya nung nangyayari sa Pilipinas ngayon? And subsidy is not forever. They use it only when there is crisis and adjust it accordingly. And tapos ng crisis, they will reduce it. They are using adaptive control. Bakit niya ngayon sinabi tong mga bagay na to? Easy to defend the system where he belongs, where he can have the control of the price rather than the government, and also to alleviate pressure from the public. Mind conditioning that we have a better system compared to our neighboring countries. Pero willing naman daw siya ibenta yung Petron sa government kung gusto nila. Okay, ano sabi niya pagkatapos?
I'm inviting the government to come in, invest with Petron, and they can take major stake or the whole company.
Do you think he will let them take the major stake? Imagine ikaw si Ramon, you work all your life just to control everything and to be one of the top. Do you think he will be willing to lose control that easily? No, on the contrary. People like him wants more control to preserve themselves at the top. Sipin nyo nung bata nga tayo, di ba? Nakikipag-agawan ka ng remote control sa mga kapatid mo. Kasi bakit? Gusto mo ikaw yung may control ng pinapanood. Hanggat maaari, gusto mo ikaw ang may hawak ng remote control. Kaya ito ang tanong ko. Ramdam nyo ba ang malasakit ni Ramon o mas ramdam nyo ang pasakit ng presyo ngayon ng gasolina? Yun lang, and that's how I break it down.